Hello. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. A star. We are drawing a star. What is this? It's a star shape, kids. We are drawing a star. A star, a square. We are drawing a square. A square, circle. What we draw? We are drawing circle. Heart. It's a heart shape, kids. Heart. Now we are drawing triangle. What is this? It's a triangle shape. Triangle. Now we are drawing hexagon. What is this? It's a hexagon shape. Hexagon. Hexagon. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, deep yellow color, light green color, ultramarine color, ultramarine color, olive green color, olive green color, warm grey color, warm grey color, brick brown color, brick brown color, deep yellow color, deep yellow color, carmine color, carmine color. Let's learn the shapes. A star, a square, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.